and today we're going to be learning about chromatography by making little butterflies. This experiment is on page 6 of your lab notebook. First, for our hypothesis, we're going to answer the question, what colors will you be able to see on the butterfly? So now we have our materials all lined up. We have our coffee filter, a cup of water, a black marker, and some pipe cleaners. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to lay my coffee filter flat. I'm going to draw a circle around the base of the coffee filter. And you want this circle to be pretty thick so that there's a lot of ink on the filter. Alright, so when you're done, it should look something like this. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the center of the coffee filter into a point. And I'm going to do that just by placing my finger in the middle and kind of smoothing the coffee filter over it. So now it looks like this. So I'm going to take my coffee filter and I'm going to place the tip into the water. I'm going to try to be careful and not let the marker touch the water. You might need to open it up a little bit. Alright, you can see that the point is just barely in the water. We're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and while we wait, I'm going to lay out some paper towels to put it on to dry. Now that the water has spread up the coffee filter, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to place it on this paper towel to dry. Just like that. And as you can see, there's a lot of blue in this, especially around the edges, like this. And this is because every black marker is made up of different colors, and the process of chromatography lets you see all those different colors. So go ahead and pause the video here and write down all of your observations while doing this experiment. So while we wait for our coffee filter to dry, I'm going to explain a little bit more about what chromatography is. Chromatography is a process that lets you separate out all the individual colors that make up one color. So in this case, we're using black. And depending on what kind of black you're using, there could be blue or red, sometimes yellow. And you can see all those different colors because as the water travels up the coffee filter, each one of those colors sticks differently to the water. So the colors that stick more to the water are going to be higher up on the coffee filter. So now that our coffee filter is dry, it looks like this, we are going to make it into a butterfly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two ends, we're going to pinch them together, like this. And then we are going to pick a color of pipe cleaner. I'm going to use blue. We're going to tie it around the center of our coffee filter. Just going to wrap it around a few times. And then you can twist it a couple times at the top to make sure it stays. I'm going to make the wings look like that. And there you go. We have a butterfly. So now that we're all done, make sure you write down your conclusion, whether your hypothesis was correct or not, and anything that you saw during this video.